Hi guys, today we talk about digital money. What is digital money? Understanding digital money. What problem does digital money solve? Types of digital money, advantages, disadvantages, and other interesting them. So let's start. Digital money. What is digital money? Digital money or digital currency refers to any means of payment that exists in a purely electronic form. Digital money is not physically tangible like a dollar, bill, or coin. It is accounted and transferred using online system. One well-known form of digital money is the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. Digital money can also represent fiat currencies such as dollar or euros. Digital money is exchanged using technologies such as smartphones or credit cards and online cryptocurrency exchanges. In some cases, it can be converted into physical cash, so the use of an ATM. Understanding digital money. A variant of digital money is already present in society today in the form of cash held in online bank accounts. This cash can be sent to others or received from them. It can also be used for online transaction. Digital money is similar in concept and use to it cash counterpart in that it can be a unit of account on a medium for daily transactions. But is it not? But it is not cash. For example, the dollars in your online bank account are not digital money because they take in physical form and you withdraw them from an ATM. Digital money is different from cash because it improves the process for monetary transaction. For example, the technical rails of digital money can make currency transfer across border easier and faster as compared to standard money. This form of money also streamlines the process for monetary policy implementation for central banks. The use of cryptography in some form of digital money makes transactions involving them tamper-proof and censorship resistant, meaning they cannot be controlled by government or private agencies. Given these advantages, digital money has become a priority for several governments around the world. The Central Bank of Sweden, a country that is on its way to becoming a cashless society, has released several exploratory papers since 2017 that explore the benefits and drawbacks of introducing digital money into its economy. Meanwhile, China has already conducted pilot tests involving the DCAP, the digital equivalent of the national currency, and is planning to release it soon. The Bahamas cent dollar is a digital iteration of the country's national currency. It was released in October 2020. According to the February 2021 survey conducted by the International Monetary Fund, around more than 100 countries, from it 160 members countries, are researching or planning to introduce digital money in the near future. What problem does digital money solve? Several systems already perform transactions with digital versions of money. For example, credit card system allow users to purchase goods and services on credit. Wire transfer system enable movement of cash across borders. Such transactions are expensive and time-consuming because they involve the use of a disparate processing system. The SWIFT system, a payment system network consisting of various banks and financial institutions across the globe, is an example of such an outfit. The charges for each transfer conducted through the SWIFT network. The member institutions of SWIFT also function in a patchwork of regulation, each specific to a different financial jurisdiction. Moreover, their systems are built on the promise of future payments ensuring a time lag for each transaction. For example, recognition for credit cards occurs at a later date, and users can file chargebacks for transaction. One of the aims of digital money is to do away with time lag and operating costs for such transactions by using distributed ledger technology (DLT). In a DLT system, nodes or shared ledger connect to form common network to process transactions. This network can also extend to other jurisdictions and minimize processing time for transaction. It provides transparency to authorities and stakeholders, improving the resiliency of a financial network by eliminating the need for a centralized database of records. Digital money solves the double spending problem by using an algorithm consensus system. The problem, stated quite simply, relates to ensuring that a note of digital money is not spent twice by the same person. At the centralized setup of currency production and distribution, such as the one with central banks that exist currently, use a system of serial numbers to ensure that each note is unique. Some forms of digital money, like central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, or digital money issues by private parties, replicate the role of central auditory in ensuring solvency and integrity of transaction, albeit in a digital context. Other types of digital money are decentralized. They eliminate the function of central authorities to oversee production and intermediaries needed to distribute the currency. Cryptography is used. Blind signatures hide the identity of transaction parties, and zero-knowledge proof encrypt transaction details. Example of this of digital money are cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Types of digital money. Thanks to its technological underpinning, digital money can be adapted to suit multi-purpose and can take on various forms. The three adaptations of digital money that have emerged in recent time are follows. Central bank digital currencies, cryptocurrencies, stablecoin, and others. So, today we are talking about understanding of digital money, what problem does digital money solve, and types of digital money. Next series we will talk about advantage of digital money and disadvantage of digital money. So, thank you for watching. It's all for today video. See you in next videos. Bye.